Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear app cache and data on Android devices. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our settings app on our device. From here, we need to scroll down and click into apps. Once you're inside apps, just click on any app to clear the app cache and data. So for example, if I want to go ahead and clear Binance's app cache and data, I'm going to click into it, scroll down, and under usage, it's going to say storage. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and clear cache. So that's going to clear all the cache inside Binance. And if I want to go ahead and clear on the app data, I'll go ahead and clear app data as well, like so. And there is one more way to do this, a quicker way. Just find that app on your phone that you'd want to delete that app cache and data. So for example, I want to do, say, Messenger. I'm going to click and hold down the app. Then from here, I want to click on the I button, and then I want to scroll down, click on the storage, and then I want to go ahead and clear cache, and then clear data.